Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do an activity or experiment for release of oxygen during photosynthesis. As you all have read in your chapter that green leaves do the process of photosynthesis for the production of food, okay? And during the production of food, they release oxygen. So today you will see the release of oxygen in form of tiny droplets on the wall of test tube. So for that, first of all, we'll take a green leaf, fresh green leaf, and with the help of straw, we are going to take small circles out of it. Okay? And as you can see, I am having the circles here. Now, take a syringe, remove the back part, put your leaves here. All the leaves, small tiny leaves, put it inside the syringe. Now you'll close the needle. This is the solution of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Okay? This we are taking here so that you all know that carbon dioxide is required during the process of photosynthesis. So now here from this solution we'll get the carbon dioxide. The leaves will get the carbon dioxide. You don't have to do anything. Just keep the needle, pull the solution a little bit. Okay? In this needle now we are having the solution. Close the opening of the needle and remove all the excess of water. What you have to do, you just have to pull the needle. Excess of water from the leaves will be sucked out. All the water, all the gases, airs from the leaves will be out. And after shaking this, now we have the empty spaces in the leaf with the carbon dioxide. Okay? Now just take a test tube. We'll fill the test tube with this baking soda solution. Now these leaves that are in the syringe, you just have to put it back. Now as you all can see, the leaves are here at the bottom of the test tube. Okay? Right now they are just absorbing with the help of photosynthesis. Sodium bicarbonate, the CO2 that they have got, they are preparing for the food with the process of photosynthesis, and the oxygen will now be released after some time. Now after some time you all will see that there are tiny droplets on the bottom, on the wall of the test tube. Is it visible? Yes, and on all those leaves which were on the bottom of the test tube are here on the top of the test tube. These tiny droplets symbolizes that oxygen was released during this process. And now we can finally say that during the process of photosynthesis, with the help of CO2 as well as green leaf, the plants prepare their food and they release oxygen. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.